Hi everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video on login science. Today in this video we will be learning how to avoid bots in Omegle. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The very first step is to open any web browser. In the search bar, search for Google Chrome extensions. Head over to the very first site. It will lead you to this page. Now tap on this option extensions. Here in the search bar, search for Omegle anti-spam. Then click on enter. It will take you to this page. Now tap on this option add to Chrome. Well, this extension has been added successfully. Now whenever you open Omegle and go through chat and video chat, the extension will help you to prevent from bots. So this is it for today, and this was the tutorial video on how to avoid bots on Omegle. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.